Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I recently received some Bobbie nail polishes from Chic. And guess what? It arrived on the night of my birthday. Isn't that awesome? I want to thank Chic for sending me this kit. Okay, so it's in a cute translucent Bobbie sling bag. Now, let's open it! We have the 6 out of 12 shades from Bobbie Nails' Ultra Shine Nail Polish collection. Now let's meet the 6 shades. We have Kitten Heels US, Olive You US, Mermaid Parade US, Midnight Muse US, Nighthawk US, and lastly we have is Poison Apple US. Now let's swatch these shades. Let's start with the shade Kitten Heels Ultra Shine. Well, that's impressive. Opaque within one coat. How great is that? Kitten Heels Ultra Shine has a creme finish and it has a dark hot pink shade. Let's move on to the second shade, which is Olive You Ultra Shine. Now for the second coat. Olive You Ultra Shine is just like its name. It really looks like an olive green shade. Third we have is Mermaid Parade Ultra Shine. Now for the second coat. Mermaid Parade Ultra Shine has a cool tone of green. Fourth we have is Midnight Muse Ultra Shine. Now for the second coat. Midnight Muse Ultra Shine is a very deep blue shade. Then we have Nighthawk Ultra Shine. Now for the second coat. Nighthawk Ultra Shine has a stunning glitter brownish gold shade full of sparkle. And lastly we have is Poison Apple Ultra Shine. And it's a perfect one coater. Poison Apple Ultra Shine has a pinkish apple shade. And those are my swatches for Ultra Shine by Bobbie Nails. Have you guys noticed how shiny they look? I never added top coat to my swatches, but these are so shiny. It's just like I topped it with a top coat, but I didn't. By the way, you can get Bobbie Nails Ultra Shine at Chic Lazada Mall. Link will be available on the description box below, and one bottle is in 12 ml and it's 55 pesos each. Bobbie Nails Ultra Shine is really shinier, glossier, and classier. I'll surely use this to my upcoming nail art designs. By the way, don't forget to follow Chic on Facebook and on Instagram. Links will be available below. And have you guys heard who's the newest ambassador of Bobbie Nails Ultra Shine? It's Ma Salvador. Special thanks to Chic for sending this kit. By the way, which among these shades is your favorite? Leave it on the comment section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!